So we know you can't go to a dance, so we're gonna bring dance class to you, courtesy of Belly House. And we want to put in this disclaimer. We are not responsible for Sanjay's dance moves.
A ban on all public gatherings, but the dancers still need to make a living. Let's find out how the dance classes are going. How has the whole coronavirus been affecting the dancehall dancing industry?
Foreigners can come. Who are here now have to leave a little earlier, so it's kind of hard right now.
No party, no club.
It has been a major impact on the dancing.
Have to stay safe, wash your hands every time you go out and come in.
Well, you know that the class numbers have to be changed, meaning more smaller. You have to wash and keep your hands clean.
My name is Zoops from Full Vibe.
Milena.
Justina.
Marcelina.
What's the name of your crew?
Full Vibe.
Don't worry about your leg, because your leg will move automatically because your body is moving with a feeling. So your legs have to respond to your body.
When somebody texted us that all parties in Kingston will be locked, I thought that it's a joke. And said, please man, don't stress me.
How has the whole coronavirus affected this trip for you?
It's sad because we can't go to all that parties and see Shelly Belly in action.
Are you worried about being in Jamaica at this time?
No, kind of similar. I came in January before it even started.
Do you feel comfortable enough to stay here, or do you feel like you need to maybe make your way back home?
More comfortable here than in Germany, definitely. Way less cases here, so.
And how are you passing this time now on lockdown?
There's not like parties or anything. Pretty good.
Different times cause for different measures. Big up Harnage Designs for the corona mask. Stay safe, Jamaica.